Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Arctic F9 Silent. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is an Arctic F9 Silent extra quiet case fan. It is a 92mm computer case fan. And here are some of its features in various languages. And taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there are some technical specifications for this case fan. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by popping up the box flap to reveal the contents inside. Let's tip the contents out and making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can set the box packaging to the side and setting out the contents across the tabletop. So right there, giving you a nice good look of the contents of this Arctic F9 Silence box packaging. And now taking a close-up look at this packet. So this packet comes with 4 screws. So there are 4 mounting screws with Phillips heads on them, as you can see right there. And just setting the packet down and moving right along to the Arctic F9 Silent itself. So you can see the case fan in nice good detail, front and back. So it is a 92mm computer case fan with a 1000 RPM operating speed and 21.2 CFM airflow. So it does have fluid dynamic bearings for an extra or ultra quiet operation and a 6-year limited warranty. So taking a look up close at the details of this fan. So it measures 25mm thick or 2.5 centimeters, and then the dimensions across the square of its surface is 92 by 92mm. So right there, giving you that look there, and of course the connector right here, a 3-pin connector. So 3-pin connector plug, giving you a close-up look right there at the various aspects of this Arctic F9 Silent. And just to give you some idea of the size, with some perspective, laying the Arctic F9 Silent in my palm, so it is a 99, or I beg your pardon, 92mm case fan. So you can see its dimensions right there, 92mm by 92mm by 25mm thick. So once again, giving you that all-round look. At the overall construction of this case fan. So taking a close-up look at the fan blades or impeller. And of course, around the fan blades across the housing as well, you can see the aerodynamic design. So obviously the fan can be set up as an intake or exhaust fan, so air flowing out the rear towards the guards or blowing into a case. So just standing the case fan upright to give you some idea. And various looks at the case fan with my hands and fingers out of the way. And now let's go ahead and test the Arctic F9 out by measuring the sound level that it produces.